Hi all, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm so happy to have y'all here. Today's Tuesday, so it's time to see what's new and what's been restocked this week at the Dollar Tree. This is for Tuesday, September the 19th, 2023. That's the week I took the picture, so let's go shopping and see what's new in apparel and accessories. First, we have these infinity scarves. They're 68 by 10 inches. We have lots of blue. For this fall right now, we've got the blue with the green and flowers and the blue and white background. There's also some tote bags with a lot of blue. There is the navy blue, a little bit lighter blue with black, the tie-dye blue, and then the blue with the cheetah pattern, a little bit of tan, a little bit of peach there. We've also got this extra large floral tote bag, and then they've got their crossbody bags restocked. We saw these same patterns a few weeks ago. They have the black and white polka dot pattern, the tie-dye, and then the checkerboard. And now for the arts and crafts. This week we've got some scrapbooking stickers that say like, hello lovely, believe in yourself, life is lovely, have little moments. Happy little moments. We've also got this sheet here. It says like sweet dreams, hello, welcome, and life is beautiful with the bicycle, so cute. This pack here says beautiful, and it's got together in gold at the bottom, lots of birds and flowers. Or we've got the travel pack. You get 15, a little bit of foil on some of these. It says like make memories, wanderlust, and let's go. Then we've got the pump spray bottles. It's a 2-pack, refillable 2 fluid ounce bottles, great for crafting or travel. And then there is the mesh ribbon. It comes in 4 colors. Those are restocked, and the floral ribbon patterns. Then they've got their Thankful and Gathered DIY wood signs out. It's got that palette style wood background, and those are a DIY project. Then I found these round DIY wood projects that I saw in Ohio a few weeks ago. So I was super excited to see they finally made their way to Texas. There are 4 of them, and just so you guys can get a better idea of what the size is, I'm holding it up next to the DIY 10-inch wood round blank. Now for the baby and toddler items, I found some more of these frames that say sleep well, my baby. They come in pink, the baby blue, and gray, and they've got the blue, gray, or pink clouds with a white cloud with the different kawaii faces on the front. Some ceramics, we've got the rocking horse and the train engine. The engine is just all white. The rocking horse has a little bit of blue on it. For health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics. I found some more of the Maybelline Fast Gel Nail Lacquer. Now these are in the full-size bottles. You have some of them with the glitter and the confetti style nail lacquer, or you've got just the regular solid colors. There's lots to choose from, so I'm just going to show a couple of them. A few weeks ago, we saw a few of these out at the Dollar Tree. There's a lot more out there now, so keep your eye out for those. And then the LA Colors Hydrating Lip Color. We've got the Creamy Finish in Sorbet, which is a soft pink. We've also got the Dusty Rose. It's a little bit more of a lighter pink with some shimmer. And then the Show Off, it's a really dark burgundy. I don't really see a shimmer here. It's just more of a glossy finish. There's Big Deal. That one's also more of just a glossy finish, no shimmer. And then the bright pink. We've got this one. It's called Perfectionist. A little bit of a taupe orange kind of mixture. There's Dear Love, which is more of like a mauve. And then Take It Easy. This one's more of like a natural lip color along with the natural shine. And now for the hair care items, they've had some more of the scrunchy keychains with the 100-piece of elastics, all different colors. We've got the Personal Care Tear-Free Spray-On Detangler and the Blossomer or Crisp Scented Dry Shampoos. And these are in those smaller cans. They had a whole box of the 2 different scents. They also brought back a bunch of the scrunchies. We've got the furry ones, the ones that look like a sweater style material. Lots of different ones, and those always sell out super fast. The hairpins, they say sweet and happy. It says you can mix and match different styles, but that was the only one I saw. We've also got the pearl clips, the rhinestone clip, and then the they have the bobby pin. Also, this headband with the daisies, it's on a light pink background. So we've got the headband with the top knot, it's about 1 inch wide. There's also the scrunchie with the ribbon at the bottom that coordinates. There's some close-up of the ribbon at the bottom. And now for the pharmacy and personal care, they have these gem personalized manicure sets. You get 8 pieces. So it has the cuticle pusher, emery boards, the toenail, nail clippers, and tweezers, all for just $1.25. Then we've got the Scooby-Doo Band-Aids. They also had the Blippi, which were new. And then Gabby's Dug Houses were just a restock. And they also had the Crayola bandages. Then the Sassy Chic Gel Nail Polish Removing Tool. They've restocked those. There's a view of it from the side if you haven't seen these yet. They also have those clips you could put on your nails to help soak off the gel polish. There's the blemish extractors, which is double-sided. Those are restocked, and so are the cuticle remover pusher. For fun finds this week, we've got the 3D Paper Crafts by Nickelodeon. So it includes 8 crayons and then the paper craft with all the directions. It says the original price was $2.84. Whatever is the recommended price, they are just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And then I found some more of the Make It Blocks brick mosaic emoji faces. I think these are a lot of fun for little kids. They're definitely not for real little kids because those pieces are small and can be swallowed. But if you've got a little bit older kid that likes to play with Legos and do art, this would be a really fun project for them that they can do over and over again. There's a couple different emoji faces, and they also have the heart on a green background that says Dad and Mom. And now for the home decor this week, we got some fall home decor pieces like the tea light candle holder, glass, fall leaves. We've got the red, the tan, and orange, and a dark plum, almost brown. It kind of depends on the light that you're looking at it in. So here's all 4 of them together. There's also the mercury glass votives. I only found them in the orange this week, or like that yellow orange. They have them in blue as well. Then we've got the 2 candles with the wood topper, and they brought back the metal and cement candle holders and the small tea light candle holders that have the bumblebee beehive imprint. We've got the date night jars and some glass vases. There's 3 different vases with the clear. Some are ribbed, some have a little bit wider bases, and they're all about 10 to 12 inches tall. And now for the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section. They have a bunch of new books out. They've got the Wayside School and the Cozy Classic Les Miserables. So this one is actually a board book for little kids, and it has a bunch of different words in it, like rich. There is sad, happy on each page, and then it shows like the different emotions, I think, on each page to go with the word that's on the opposite side there. So kind of like learning sight words. Then they've got Bruno's box readers. They've got the Mickey's Halloween treat, and then some of the leveled reader books like the Fingerlings. We've got Papermate pens. I think that's an 8-pack for $1.25. In the blue, they also had the black ink, and then they had a bunch of these big Cover It correction tapes also. I found some more of these organizers. I can't believe these are still here. I thought these would sell out super fast. I use them for like everything. I highly recommend them. They're a nice sturdy plastic. You can get them in several different colors. And they also have these magnetic little boxes back in for like lockers. I use them on my file cabinets. I hold like glue sticks and things like that for when I'm crafting. And they've got all the plastic pencil boxes in as well. They've got the green, the blue, and the pink, and they have the letter trace that coordinate with those. And these are a repeat item. For housewares this week, we've got some more of the drawer pulls. So they come in gold and in black, and there's a couple different styles. It comes with the screws, so you can put them together. And these are over by like the door stoppers and the automotive equipment. At least that's where I found them at every store that I've been to. I think out of the 6 stores I went to this week, 4 of them had the drawer pulls. So keep your eye out for those. We have some new sticker wallpaper sheets in this bright floral pattern. And then they restocked the extra large wall decor stickers with the floral pattern. There's a couple different ones. We've seen them before, so I'm just going to show you guys this one. But look through all of them. They're by those wall creation stickers because there's quite a few to choose from. Now for the kitchen and pantry items, I found some more of the 5-pack veggie bags. I love these so much. You get 4 large bags, 1 small bag, which is the carrier. There's also these color changing cups. Found those in 3 colors. It comes with a lid and a straw. We've got the pink, the light blue, and then the mint green. I actually have these in my house. They're the same cups I bought at Walmart last year. Well, they have them now at the Dollar Tree. We've also got these water bottles and some new coffee cups like Live Simply. I love this one. It says home is where our story begins. Has some fall looking flowers on the edges. Everything is better with coffee. And then this one here, it says find joy in everyday blessings. It's so pretty. Party supplies this week. They had the Wilton Color Mist food color spray. So I was kind of curious for the same size bottle, how much they cost at other stores. At Joann's, they're $4.99 a bottle, just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Then they had this large banner with the race car. It says happy birthday. It has the checker flag at the end, really cute. And it's a nice, large, bright banner. It has the satin ribbon to hold it together. We've also got this custom pennant banner with 26 foil stickers. It spells out the words celebrate, cheers, hooray, or way to go, and congrats. It's got the black and gold color scheme. The stickers are in gold. It's got a black satin ribbon to hold the pieces together. And then there's also this one that's 9 feet long. It says hooray, cheers, yay, and like Team Bride, all the different things you could spell out. It's in an ombre pink, kind of fades down to white, and it's got rose gold stickers. There's also this custom banner that you can personalize. Tells you all the words you can spell out with the lettering. It's got a white card with the pastel polka dots and a white satin ribbon. Then for pet care, the only thing new I found so far this week is the food that they have out for cats. So they have the Evolve and the Shiba brand out right now. Now for toys, games, and entertainment, they have the Wild Kratts bouncy balls. And these are cute because it has Wild Kratts on one side and it has the animals on the other side. So we've got the rhinoceros and a giraffe. I thought those were cute. Then they have the color putty. It's the twist, stretch, and bounce putty with the bright colors. We've got orange, pink, green, and yellow. They're bright, more of like a neon color. And there are these velvet style posters that were new. You get 5 markers, a couple different posters. Most of them are a 2-pack of posters, but they had like Encanto, the LOL. There's Mickey Mouse, Buzz Lightyear, and then the Jurassic World. They had some box sets of posters. Those you'll get 14 posters and 4 markers. And the Velvet Art poster set by Curiosity, you get 5 markers, and I believe it is 6 posters that have different sayings on them, like spread kindness, enjoy the little things, and think happy. And now for the seasonal items this week. We've got some more of the marquee lights that look like a jack-o'-lantern and a ghost. You do need to put batteries in those. They started to put out their fall plates, the throwaway ones. So we've got the wood palette with the leaf border. They have the smaller plates or the larger style platters. So those you'll get 6 for the larger sizes. And then they have the plastic reusable platters with the fall decor and the wood grain. Also the napkins. And then they have this new set out with the pumpkins and leaves around the border and the really soft muted tones. You could either get the dinner plates or the larger platters. Again, you get 6 of those in a pack. They have the reusable platter to match. And then the napkins, they have the dessert napkins and the dinner style napkins, which are a little bit bigger. Or you can get the solid packs of napkins. You get 30. There was like a blue, orange, a red, orange, and yellow, and then the plaid pattern. There's table covers to match for both of those. And they are like a rectangular style table cover. There's both of them together. They even have some plastic cups that say hello, beautiful harvest, and feeling thankful. Here, both of them are together. There's some scattered leaves. You get 50 of them. They're a lot smaller than the ones they've had in years past. And now for the Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 and $5 items, they have more of the $3 rug grippers and the sling hockey game for $5. We have this game. We play it all the time. It's really fun. There's also the 50-piece darts. You get those for $3, which I think is a great buy because we're always losing those. And then the Takumo Kawaii Kitty. It's like a squishy style sensory toy. There are 4 different ones and they are $3 each. They have pink, the white one. They come in these little packages here. You can actually feel the top and see how squishy they are. There's a yellow one and then also the blue one. All the pink ones were sold out already. They were on the box there. We've got the Pokemon card collectibles for $5. These large Sterilite bins that you can put like cleaning supplies in or like a shower caddy. And then the large candy canes. They brought these back. They're $5 each. They sell these exact same ones at Walmart, and they are not going to be $5 at Walmart. I can guarantee you that. So they've got the red, white, and green, and the red and white. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys back on Friday.